Welcome to Shanghai Denair Compressor Company Limited. We are a Sino-Germany joint venture company and established in 2006. We have built a manufacturing factory with size 5,000 square meters at 2012. So now, our company specialized in researching, developing, production, and selling air compressor. The main products we supply: screw air compressor, piston air compressor, portable air compressor, high-pressure air compressor, oil-free air compressor, and air dryer. With German technology and European standard parts, Denair will committed to supply air compressor with advantages of high efficiency, energy saving, low noise, and long working life. At present, Denair brand have met with great favor home and abroad with qualified products, competitive price, and excellent service. The products are available in more than 50 countries and regions, such as China, Russia, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Sudan, Kenya, South Africa, Chile, Argentina, Peru, Chile, Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, Australia, New Zealand. More information about us and our products, please visit our website www.denaircompressor.net. Welcome to visit our